Hi friends, I am Apurva Abhishek, Technical Analysis and Investment Advisor. You can see here Nifty chart from 2001 to 2020. During these years, lots of up and downs come into Nifty. You can see in 2008 there was Nifty at 6,200 and get the downfall about 2,300. Then after in 2011, you can see the correction of 6,500 to 4,500. Again, you can see around 2015 correction from 9,000 to 7,000. And you can also see currently present scenario in Nifty made a high of 12,013,300 and middle low around 7,500. You can say that there is lots of downfall or fall comes in the Nifty, but it always come faster after the downfall. So three things we cannot predict. One, when shall market correct? How much correct? And how long it will take to recover. Nobody can predict that market in the world. Only one thing can be predicted is growth is permanent and correction is temporary. You must remind that. You can see in 1992 in Harshad Mehta during time Sensex go down about 54% in 1 year and it's recover 127 percentage in 1.5 year. In 2000, which is called a tech bubble, Sensex down about 56% in 1.5 year, and it's recovered 138 percentage in 2.5 years. It's amazing. In 2008, in US, everybody knows that Lehman crisis. Sensex down about 61 percentage in 1 year and recover 157 percentage in 1.5 years. You can think that if we have sold our stock in this duration, we will get benefit or lose benefit. Think about that. In 2010, Sensex down about 28 percentage in 1 year and Sensex recovered 93 percentage in the 3 year. That's a good amount. Now we are in 2020. Recently, everybody knows that Sensex down about 30 percentage in a year and guess what will be recovered during some years. Anybody can predict? I have one question for everyone. If you get the chance to get back on those correction 2008, 2000, and you have time machine of course to go back, will you buy or sell? What will you do? Please give me the answer. Of course, you will definitely buy, not sell. So what will you do in present scenario, buy or sell? I have some great words from great person, Sir Johnson Templin. He says that the four most dangerous words in the investing are this time it's different. You have seen that in every correction, market reverse with growth, with a great efforts and great return. So do you have think uh, that market go down this time so much? Market always behave like a Newton third. Okay, when it's fall down, it's recover great. In a conclusion, we can say that all past correction feel like a loss of opportunity, and all current and future correction feel like this time it's different, not at all. You have to buy when the market down and other thing that it will go down and down and down and down. So we can say that everybody fears to buy. You have to dare to buy. Thank you so much.